guys, I'm Vanessa Rodriguez and I'm in the anatomical kinesiology class in summer 2. I just first like to say I'm sorry if you hear a lot of noise in the background. My Wi-Fi hasn't been working at home, so I'm at Starbucks and I'm outside. Um, Oftentimes when athletes injure their shoulders, their athletic trainers or PTs um, give them exercises with high reps and low weight. And I believe this is because the low weight aspect of this allows the athlete to actually perform the movements comfortably because they don't have like as much strength as they did before they injured themselves. So having the low weight allows them to like get back into the rhythm and gains. And then the high reps is allows them to like actually strengthen the muscles that they injured. And one exercise that I believe one exercise that can be used is the shoulder shrugs, and that actually targets the trapezius muscle. And all you would do is really get like a 2 to 5 pound weight in each hand, and then you'd elevate and depress your shoulders, and that would be one rep. And so you would do like 10 to 15.